Well, hello folks and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to do my DIY microphone pop filter. So in this step we're just gonna need two things. Just a ring that looks like this with a screw something on it, and also a bit of fabric. I'm not even using this fabric. This fabric's for my speaker grill, but this one is what we're gonna use for a fabric. So let's start. So starting off, we're gonna remove this. We're gonna loosen up this screw. You also need some scissors. So we're gonna cut the excess stuff, the excess fabric on the filter. It's quite easy to make it. It's like just putting a ring. And also, I'm going to use this broken phone holder. See, it's cracked over there. I'm going to recycle this mount from it. So I'm going to remove that for a second. There you go. And that's going to be the mount for the pop filter. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this piece here. And then replace it with the mount I saw right here. Place it there. There we go. I also probably found this broken speaker casing and everything. It's made out of glass, so this one's gonna be made as my stand. Just wait a sec. Why is it falling down? Oh, since it's because it's not in the middle. It's not in the middle right there. So I'm gonna hold this fabric. Alright, now it's on the center. So now I already have my mic mounted here, and I'm going to test it. What we now got for the stand is this small speaker casing, a mount from this old junky punky phone holder, and this ring around here which is colored pink. That's all from the old Dreamcasters and something. So yeah, I got a pop filter. You hear the difference? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this homemade video, this video, DIY project video. So please like the video and subscribe now and share the video to your friends.